found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much.
Hey you, good morning. Welcome back to the farm life. So you guys see that I've cleaned up the bed already for the maybe the cabbage and the scallion. Maybe put something else in there. So now I have to look the topsoil. So I have my pickaxe, what mama make, so heavy, and I have my shovel. I'm gonna dig some dirt to what me fi diggy? I'm gonna look some dirt to create some topsoil for that. Alright? Okay. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button to Skylife TV. Leave a comment in the comment section. I want to hear from you. 41. Don't come in.
Welcome to a shovel.
No, let me show.
Just give me shovel.
Let me just tell us then.
Okay. Hey, chickens.
Right, that's our fertile dirt to mama.
Melissa.
Yo.
He has gone. Huh? Huh? What's that? Yes,
Go put on the belt.
the belt.
Go put your the belt on the veranda. Back there. So guys, using that pickaxe is a full body workout. My arms are killing me. I'm gonna reach no weight. I'll get my belt though, I need my belt. So I'll get my belt and start back. So guys, mama is gonna throw the pickaxe for you guys on the farm. A joke for me. Cause as I said, I'm plowing the land. Yeah, good dirt. Me I said there's a fertilizer already. Cause remember I said this here the right here, so. You understand, mama? Yeah. Repeat them out. And the dirt, right there, so.
Dirt, nice.
You don't have much stuff in it.
See there. You see what me do say?
A good dirt, man. A good place. I tell me if you come to show, not tell a lie. Easy if you come out.
Come, give me a shovel.
Shovel. So me just go stay for a right, that's all.
You just so diggy. Me not them a boot jack can't feel wear or so. After you diggy, move them.
Hurry, come on.
You're throwing in a day. You know? See?
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
A nice dirt.
And then me just spread out what me done.
Right, when you're done.
Okay. Cause me say me go use the bucket, but that will give me more work.
Let me sit in your yassa. See there?
Easy, 1 tree. Now tell me like mama good dirt that.
Yeah, good dirt.
Mama. Alright, Mama. Alright, no.
Okay.
But you don't have to dig out them, because they will grow back in it.
Yeah. You have to take out the bush them. Baby, me have to just pull them off from the top.
No, when you dig it,
Mm-hmm.
you just set them up, that's the way it's done.
A good idea, I come right after me, not tell no lie.
But I make me send you yourself.
No, that you are good. Normally, Mama would have on her water boot,
No water boot them.
but these shoes is not the right shoes for the farm.
Come, sit here.
Alright. So guys, actually gonna put on my belt. I didn't have on my belt before. Well, and there's something fun. But I'm not telling a lie. Using the pickups, a full body workout. And me to tell you, a good thing. So I take my supplements them this morning.
Leave it, Aria.
Okay.
Know that you are good enough. So this is Skylife Fitness Solution belt. I don't have all the sizes available, but I do have some available. So you can check the website at melicaskylife.bigcartel.com or skylifefitnesssolution.bigcartel.com, and you'll get the info.